Today I'm taking with the VEVOR magnetic dry erase board. Got some nice heavy duty corner protection on here, so that is good. We got our instructions, and they gave us kind of a template, so it isn't marked out, but it is the size of the dry erase board, so all we have to do is put it on there and then mark out the holes, and we'll know where we need to drill in our wall. And here is the dry erase board. It looks like up on the top we have got some accessories. So you can see I already got one right here. This is black. This is what I always use for my base, so if I need to take an object, I want to put it on there, I don't want to make it look nice. I find that glass erase boards are the best thing for it. I used to use plexiglass, but I found plexiglass gets scratched too easily. Glass can still get scratched, so if we look at this one at just right, kind of hard to see, but there are scratches all over it. You can kind of see some right there. So with this one, I'm looking to do the same thing, but it is nice to get an alternative color. Now if we look at the back, you can see this is a metallic back. That's important because I've actually got some before that were not metallic on the back, and if anything scratches it on the back, it actually removes that finish, so you can see the scratches very easily from the front. We do have corner protectors on here, which is excellent, and we can see this is the same size as my previous board. This is 36 by 24, which I find to be ideal. So we can see this one does have some branding on it, but it appears to be a sticker, so I think we can just peel this guy off if we don't want to see it. Now the other thing we have here are holes, which is not going to be great for me because that's something I have to work around, but it will be great for you because if you intend to use it as intended, that will provide you with an easy option for mounting it. So these are mounting standoffs, and you can see they just kind of thread together, and there's a rubber cushion in there to protect it. The idea is we're going to take one of these screws and we're going to run that through this standoff, so that is going to hold this to the wall. Then we're going to mount the board to that, put on this rubber spacer, and thread the front on. So that way you don't have to worry about having some kind of a weird perimeter to mount this thing to the wall. Just 4 spots, 1 in each corner. So they also gave us some other accessories. This is a pen holder, so this will just clip onto the bottom of the board. And they even gave us a couple of dry erase markers. They even have magnets as well as eraser caps on them, so these are pretty cool. So I have to say I have seen more opaque dry erase markers, but those will work. And they do erase without any residue. They did also give us a couple of magnets, so that's nice. They even have kind of a soft bottom on them, so we don't have to worry about scratching anything. But we can stick those things on, and we can like put pieces of work on there. So very nice having that as well. This is kind of interesting. The eraser itself actually has some magnets in it. So we can even stand the board up on its side, and that will still hold. That is pretty cool. But yeah, as far as showing things off, I really like the black, but the white definitely can't help with a lot of situations, especially when you're dealing with black on black backgrounds. And I also just like that it's not a pure white, it's kind of an off-white. It's almost like a bluish white. That is a very pretty looking board. I am happy with that.